Iron sights. These are the most basic aiming tools built directly into a weapon. They use a simple front post and rear notch to line up a target without any electronics or glass. Iron sights have been used for centuries and are still valued for their reliability, since they do not rely on batteries or fragile components. It's so old that even your great-grandparents consider it as outdated. Red dot sight. This optic projects a small illuminated dot onto a lens, allowing the user to aim quickly without aligning multiple points like iron sight did. It became popular with modern firearms because it speeds up target acquisition, especially in close to mid-range situations. The first red dot sights were introduced in the 1970s and were initially used for hunting. Holographic sight. Unlike a red dot, this attachment uses a laser to project a holographic reticle onto the viewing window. It offers a clearer and more consistent aiming point, even if part of the lens is damaged. Holographic sights are often used by military units due to their precision and durability, though they tend to consume more power and are more complex in design. Magnified scope. This attachment uses lenses to zoom in on distant targets, making it easier to see details at long range. Scopes have been used since early rifles and are essential for marksmen and snipers. Different magnification levels allow users to adapt to various distances, but higher zoom can reduce peripheral vision and slow down reaction time. Hybrid sight. This combines a red dot sight with a magnifier, allowing the user to switch between close range and mid-range aiming. It offers flexibility without needing to change equipment entirely. This type of attachment is especially useful in situations where distances can change quickly, such as urban environments. Laser sight. This attachment projects a visible or infrared beam onto a target, showing exactly where the weapon is pointed. It is often used in low-light conditions or for quick aiming without raising the weapon to eye level. While helpful, visible lasers can also reveal the user's position, which limits their use in certain situations. Also, laser sight were first developed for military use during the Cold War. Flashlight. Mounted on the weapon, this provides illumination in dark environments. It helps identify targets clearly and prevents accidental engagement of the wrong object. Tactical flashlights are designed to be bright and durable, but using them can also make the user more visible to others. Suppressor. This attachment reduces the sound and muzzle flash of a weapon when fired. It works by slowing and cooling the escaping gases. Suppressors are often associated with stealth, but in reality, they mainly make gunfire less damaging to hearing and slightly harder to detect. The first suppressor was invented in 1902 by Hiram Maxim. Muzzle brake. This device redirects gases to reduce recoil and keep the weapon more stable during firing. However, it increases noise and blast to the sides, which can affect nearby users. Muzzle brakes were also first widely used on artillery and later adapted for firearms. Compensator. Similar to a muzzle brake, this attachment focuses on reducing vertical climb when firing. It helps keep the weapon level, especially during rapid shots. While it improves control, it does not reduce recoil as much as a muzzle brake.